Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened in the last 2 days and what we expected in the last 2 days. The chart which you are seeing is Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below, and you can see this blue color candlestick that indicates 26th of May price opening. You, as a continuous follower of our video presentation, you may notice that very earlier we had predicted that this particular zone of 6196 and 6206 can be a possible major resistance for crude oil market. We had identified the zone very earlier. So what happened? In order for the crude oil market to maintain its uptrend, we expected that the price should constantly stay above 6160, so that the price will have some momentum to break this major resistance zone. So what happened right after the price opening? You could see there was a bit of pullback towards this major zone, as we had identified that this is one of the most major resistance for this particular contract. Once the price comes down, our charting tool is also indicating there is some momentum for selling and the momentum for buying is weakening up, so that pushed the price down towards 6103. So you can notice that it is a straightaway fall. From that, the market found some support to put itself up for closing near 6144. so this was the price action what we witnessed on 26th of May. So this long candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening. So right after, since the price was trading above 6160, our charting tool is indicating there can be a possible momentum for buying. So it was a great struggle on the support zone of 6160. So after that the market was losing its momentum. Our charting tool is completely and clearly indicating that the momentum can be possible on the selling side. So that pushed the price again towards 6120, and even the price was quite comfortable in converting this 6120 into a resistance and finally closed around 6112. So right after the price opening, there was a continuous drop in crude oil market. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading? If you see the price closing, it is lower compared to the previous day's price closing. That is one more important point. The second part is, today we are expecting the price to open somewhere near 6080. There can be some fall in the price opening, which again indicating that the momentum can be on the selling side. So how to position ourselves as a trader for today? So it is going to be a crucial and bit difficult zone for crude oil traders. So what we are going to do is that we are going to focus on a special zone. So this is our special zone, around 6120. So there are two ways the market can react for today. Since the price has dropped a lot, the market can find a support around 6060, or it can find a strong resistance around 6120. If this fall is an indication that crude oil market trend can possibly be down, then 6120 should act as a resistance. This particular zone should act as a resistance to push the price lower. So it will be a continuation of the downtrend. But if there is any buying, what will happen? The price will take support around 6060 and it will put a closing above 6120 in order to pull a lot of buyers. So these are the possible outcomes for today's trading. But we are expecting crude oil to stay in downtrend for today's trading, having 6120, this particular zone, as the major resistance zone. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. As usual, we are expecting our charting tool to keep us in the right direction throughout the trading session. Thank you.